thing almost tipped over. Ooh, Ruthie. Still going. Still going. Kind of like it's giving up. There it goes. Woo. Whoa. It's like a blowtorch.